Ito'y nagbibigay sa amin sa entertainment talk shows ng pagkakataon na basagin ang isang napakatanda na, napakaluma na stereotype. Na pag sinabi mong talk show, lalo na pag may kinalaman sa mga artista, chismis. I am proud to be part of this campaign. I'm really proud. Dahil ito'y nagbibigay sa amin sa entertainment talk shows. Nagbago na ang mundo. Kanina I was talking about it. The world has changed. Hindi naman pwedeng hindi rin tayo magbago. Hindi tayo static na participants nitong mundong ito. Ang ginagamit ng word nito madalas ay advent halimbawa of technology. Sabi ko, depends on your perspective. It can be an onslaught of. And I discussed also about, babalikan ko yung bihon tama. Nandito rin ako aside from breaking the stereotype because, again, you can do an entertainment talk show by being factual. You can do an entertainment talk show by being truthful. Kaya sa fast talk, sumasayaw ako, nagsusot ako ng wig, kumakanta na ako, umakarte na ako, nagpapasampal na ako. Pero hindi ito original idea. This is part of research. Pero ngayon, dahil bago nang nanonood, teka muna, iba ng laban. So, aside from evolving into what we should be today, competing with social media, with other talk shows, we need to compete. Madalas sinasabi ng mga artista na aming ini-interview, no, I don't believe in competition. I believe in competing with myself. Ako hindi. I believe in competing with the world. I believe in competing with the world. Kailangan, alam natin kung anong ginagawa nila sa labas. Alam natin kung ano ang naging what have our audiences become. Ano ang hinahanap nila. Kaya itong Bihuan Tama is giving me a platform for discovering a lot of things. Sa Fast Talk, sa Amazing, sa I Believe, Amazing Earth, nangangako siguro kami that television can be compelling, work can be interesting by latching on to what is true, what is respectful, and what is fun. A lot of the things that are going to happen, I don't know. But exciting ang mga magaganap. At sana'y maging bahagi kami ng wave ng critical audience. We need audience who are critical thinkers. Sinasabi mo ang Tito Boy, totoo. Sinasabi mo ang Tito Boy, may pinanggagalingan. Maganda yung conversation na ipinagpapatuloy pagkatapos ng palabas. So, marami po akong sasabihin, pero hindi pa rin ako komportable na napapagitna ng ni Chris at saka ni Bindong. Pero, that's a joke, that's a joke. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta at sana'y maging bihuan tama tayong lahat. Ngayon at sa mga araw na darating. Mabuhay po kayo lahat.